Namaste dosto. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Welcome back to this Divine Ganesh Festival series where we explore the life-changing wisdom of Lord Ganesha, not just through stories but through the deep lessons hidden in them. Today is a day 5 and our focus is Ganeshas and nature. A powerful reminder that spirituality and sustainability go hand in hand. Let us unfold the story behind eco friendly Ganesh idols. The environmental teachings from our traditions and how Lord Ganesha inspires us to protect Mother Earth. Did you know that in many scriptures, Lord Ganesha is called Prakriti Vatsalya, the one who adores nature? Let me share a lesser known tale. Once, the Devas requested Ganesha to bring balance between human and nature. Ganesha, with his deep wisdom, encouraged the planting of 21 types of scared leaves, Patri Puja, symbolizing biodiversity and respect for each species. This ancient practice taught humans to recognize the scaredness of plants, animals, rivers, and forests. His own form, made of a clay, symbolically immersed back into water, was nature's perfect circle? Yes. But what was happened in recent time, instead of clay, many Ganesha idols today are made from plaster of Paris, that is POP, and maintained with toxic chemicals. When immersed in water, these idols pollute rivers, lakes, and, and marine life, harming the very nature Ganesha symbolizes. Plastic decorations, loud noise pollutions, and mass immersions in fragile ecosystems are going against the essence of the festival. Is not it ironic that the god of wisdom, known for clarity and balance, is now linked with harmful pollution? But here is the good news. A beautiful movement is rising. Eco friendly clay idols, natural plant based colors, Ganesha idols made of soil, seeds, and even turmeric. People creating mini water tanks at home for immersion, decor using banana leaves, flowers, and diyas instead of plastic. This is not just good for the environment, it is good for our soul. Ganesha blesses those who walk the path of compassion and wisdom. Choosing eco friendly idols is modern devotions with ancient roots. Let us reflect on Ganesha's form. His large ears teaches us to listen to nature's warnings. Climate changes, spices, extinctions, pollutions. His elephant head represent the forest, strong, silent, majestic, and deeply connected to the earth. His vehicle, the mouse, remind us even the smallest creatures are scared in the circle of life. Lord Ganesha is not just the remover of obstacles in life, but the protector of balance in nature. If we worship him, we must also honor the world he created. Here is what you can do starting today: buy or make eco friendly idols. involve your children in crafting clay Ganesha. Avoid plastic, flowers, use real ones. Create home immersion ponds. Share awareness on social media. Plant a sapling in Ganesha's name. Organize or join eco-friendly resurgence events in your city. Let's show devotion not just with prayers but with action. When we protect nature, we walk the true path of Ganesha. My dear friends, this Ganesh festival is a more than a ritual. It is a reminder that divine celebration must align with natural preservation. Let Lord Ganesha not just reside in your hearts and home, but also reflect in our choices. Whether it is a clay idol or a planted tree, each step matters. If you found value in this video, please like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Drop a commitment. What eco-friendly step will you take this year? Together, let us bring back the original wisdom of Ganesh Utsav, where devotions meets sustainability. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. Thank you.